The Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association will hold a powerlifting competition on March 29th at Umsning in Riphoi district. The competition will include squat, bench press and deadlift. The association has also announced the competition calendar for this year, for the year 2025 and 2026. In June, there will be a squat competition in Shillong and a deadlift competition in August, followed by a bench press competition in October. There will also be a national competition in October 2026 at Haryana.
Powerlifting competition kami sa March hapo Umsning. Iba kita mengenai di kalender kami pun harus tanya apa Andrew kami pun kena naik March kita ke SBD Malaysia squat bench press tapi deadlift. Hôm nay June kita squat competition ini untuk nasional. Dapat hôm nay August ini datang ke deadlift competition. Bahkan memang kita third bench press kan menurut Umsning hôm nay October. Bahkan national competition kita masih mentah ada dalam apa Andrew. Bahkan ini kita bench press dalam apa Haryana.
And now for the weather report.